The Senate and the stock market are two distinct entities, but they can influence each other, especially through legislation and economic policies. Here is how they relate. First, legislation and regulations. The US Senate can pass laws that affect the financial markets. This includes tax reforms, changes in trade policies, infrastructure spending, or regulations on industries like technology, healthcare, or energy. These policies can influence investor confidence and market trends. Second, economic policy. The Senate plays a role in shaping fiscal policy, which includes government spending and taxation. For example, large stimulus packages such as those seen during economic crisis, for example, COVID-19 relief, can have significant effects on stock markets by boosting consumer spending, corporate profits, and overall economic growth. Third, corporate and financial regulation. The Senate can pass laws that regulate the financial industry, affecting how companies operate. Stricter regulations could lead to higher compliance costs for businesses, while deregulation could spur growth in certain sectors. Fourth, market reactions. Investors closely monitor Senate actions, especially debates over major economic policies. If the Senate is seen as passing legislation that favors economic growth or business profitability, the stock market often reacts positively. Conversely, policies that might hurt corporate profits can lead to stock sell offs. 5. Confirmation of key appointments. The Senate confirms key government officials, such as Federal Reserve Chairperson or Treasury Secretaries. These individuals play crucial roles in monetary policy, which can directly affect market conditions. In summary, while the Senate does not directly control the stock market, its decisions and policies can create conditions that significantly influence market behavior. Investors keep a close eye on political developments for this reason.